What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. So if you're new, make sure to subscribe for more tech and money related videos. So in this video, I'll be showing you on how you can use an app called Yellow Card. I'm going to make you familiar with the user interface. So without wasting much of your time, let's hop straight into the video. Okay, so this is how the Yellow Card interface looks like. So once you sign up with an application called Yellow Card, the first crypto they're going to give you is Bitcoin. Then you can apply it to have more cryptocurrencies like USDT. So I'm going to show you the basics on how you can use the app, which is buy, sell, and other necessities. So click on BTC or any other cryptocurrency available in your wallet. You can even click on USDT. It's still fine. So I'll click on BTC and then I'll click on trade, and then you can see buy, sell, send, and receive. So for you to buy crypto, you need to make sure that you've got money in your wallet, which is that one above. So for me, I'm supposed to have some money in my Zambia Money Kwacha wallet for me to purchase some crypto. So with that being said, I'll show you on how you can buy crypto. So I'll click on BTC, and then I'll click on trade, and then on buy. So you can type in any amount that you want to buy. So because I do not have money in my Zambia Money wallet, I cannot be able to buy. But let me just type in a figure to show you what's going to happen. Let's say I want to purchase crypto with 300. So I'll click on next. So as you can see, please deposit more money into your account. So I'm supposed to have money in my native currency wallet for me to purchase. But that's basically the step. So if I had money, I would have gone ahead and purchased myself some Bitcoin worth 300, which is something close to somewhere $9. So that's how you can purchase crypto. And then on sale, so as you can see, I've got Bitcoin worth 318. So if I want to sell it, I can simply click on the max, then I'll click on next. As you can see, that's a breakdown of the transaction I'm about to initiate. So if I'm cool with it, I want to sell all my Bitcoin, which is converting them from BTC back to my native currency wallet. I just have to click on confirm and it will be taken back to my native currency wallet. It will no longer be tradable until I sell it for Bitcoin or another cryptocurrency. So trade again. So sending as well. So I can click on maximum, then I can click on next. So there are three options you can send. There's via wallet, phone, number, or email address. So there's a video that I created on how you can send your cryptocurrency. I'll put the link in the description below. So I'd really recommend that you check it out. So trade, how do you receive crypto? So if you want to receive Bitcoin from an external wallet, what you're supposed to do is simply copy this address and then you send it to the person that is going to send you your Bitcoin to Yellow Card using this wallet address. So that's how you receive Bitcoin using a wallet address. So this what I'm showing you, these are just the basics on how you can use Yellow Card. So what I'll show you next is you click on account, then you click on bank, and then as you can see, if you want, you can add a bank card to Yellow Card. So for the bank card, you're going to use it to buy or withdraw your money from Yellow Card. So this is just an example. All this detail is available on your card. So the bank name, you fill it in, the branch where you got your card from, you fill it in, and then the account which is in front of your card, you fill in the particulars, and once you've filled in the particulars, you click on save. So for verification, there are two main verification steps that are a prerequisite before you are given access to Yellow Card, which is you need to verify your email and you need to create a PIN. So once you verify the two, you can have access to your Yellow Card account. And then for this one, these are limits on how much money you can withdraw from Yellow Card. So for me, I've got a limit of not more than 20,000. If I want, I can activate the one for 50,000. I'm supposed to fill in some particulars. So for security, so you can change your password or update it by clicking there where it's saying password. So you can enter your old password and enter a new one. So let's say 1 2 3 4 5 for an example. Then the new one is 6 7 8 9, and then you click on next and you'll be able to update your password. So for the pin, it's the one and the same. You enter your old pin and then you enter a new pin, and then you confirm a new pin, and you'd have changed your pin. So that's basically it on the user interface for Yellow Card. So if you've learned one or two things on how to use Yellow Card, I really appreciate if you give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for sticking out this far. Stay safe, and I'll check you out in the next video. Peace.